Okay, we've taken a little bit more out in here, so we get a little bit more play in the mouth. I've attached my spring and my strings because we want to test that out. Make sure it's working properly. I'm going to hook our spring up, which goes up to the top of the head. Okay, we'll put that back in there. Catching over here a little bit on this side. This side looks good. Okay, we're going to take our 1/2-inch dowel. We're going to check it to see if we have enough tension on that. Like I say, this is the most important part, is getting that mouth to work properly. You don't want to be in the middle of doing an entertaining in a crowd and have the mouth stick on you. We'll hook our dowel up, make sure that's going to be in the proper place, because you might have to move it back. Just check on the, so it goes over top of this, down through the neck. Got our spring connected. So if our dowel is properly put in, then we can glue it all in. It's not too bad. You don't want to have too much tension. I think I'm going to move the dowel back a little bit so I get a little bit more of an arc. By moving it back here some, it should work better. Okay, so we're going to take the mouth out. We got to take a little more off on the side there. I'm going to move the dowel back, and then we should be in good shape. But we have good play on the mouth. I just need to take some off in here so it's not catching. So we'll make some adjustments, then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.